What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today we're gonna sanitize some microgreen trays. I'm gonna show you my method of doing it, and it involves using my tray washing station. If you're interested in building one of these guys for your business, I will leave the link below. It is digital do-it-yourself plans. You can have your own microgreen station. It is amazing. And I'll show you how it works during this video, but I'm gonna use that. I'm also going to use a solution of bleach in water. So I mixed about a tablespoon of bleach to a gallon of water, and I put it in the spray bottle. All these trays that you see here have already been cleaned. So I do, after every single harvest, clean my trays. Not sanitize them, but clean them. And I do that by sliding them in my tray washing station. I use water. A lot of times I'll use a scrub brush to help get rid of all the remains that tend to be stuck in these little creases of your trays. Sometimes we use a pressure washer as well, but I do wash them after every single harvest with water and a scrub brush. Now, sanitizing, you really want to do that monthly. Some of the issues that you might come across that may make you want to do it a little more often is if you're finding mold in your trays. So it's super important to at least sanitize them once a month. It's usually what I practice here at Barefoot Microgreens. Another solution that you could use to sanitize is peroxide in water. That's another option as well. Today I'm going to use bleach because that's what I have here available. So since microgreens are grown rather densely in your trays, they are prone to mold issues. So you definitely want to sanitize your trays once a month. It's a good food safety practice to implement in your business. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how my tray washing station works with sliding these trays in. Like I said, these have already been cleaned. I'm just actually gonna slide them all in my tray washing station here. I'm gonna spray both sides of the trays with my bleach solution here and probably let them set for about 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse them off with water, take them off, stack them up to dry, and then continue with the process. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a lot of trays here today to get through. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and change my clothes and get some old clothes on, because when you're working with bleach, well, I think you already know. So I'm gonna go get some old clothes on and then we're gonna get started. So this is actually adjustable. So if you are using, let's say, the bootstrap farmer trays like I do, the 10 by 20 trays will fit, and then you can also lower this down and it'll fit the 5 by 5 trays as well. It's really simple and easy to build. Our digital plans will give you a list of all the materials that you need to purchase to be able to build it yourself, step-by-step instructions. If you're a microgreens grower, you know how tedious and kind of sometimes it takes a long time to wash your trays depending on how big your business is. So this saves time, obviously. You know, you don't have to find this large space to spread out your trays to be washing them. It saves time flipping your trays over from one side to another to get them washed, as well as it saves time chasing after your trays if they're blowing around. Trust me, I know. Before I had this, I did all the things. So this makes it so simple and easy. It's a simple and easy build, and it's really very inexpensive when it comes to purchasing the materials to build it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the trays just slide right in, and we'll start sanitizing. So as you can see here, it will hold 14 10 by 20 trays at a time. So as you could tell, or as you could see there, it's pretty lightweight. It's easy to even pick up and move while you have the trays in it. And it's awesome because you're able to sanitize or clean the trays on both sides, you know, really quickly. Okay, I have both sides sprayed with my bleach solution. I'm just gonna let this set on there 5 minutes or so, and then I'm just gonna rinse it off with some water. Be right back. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna give these trays a good rinsing. If you have a long enough hose, you can just switch to the other side, or like I showed you before, you can just pick it up and kind of turn it over, turn it around. All right, I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and take these trays off and put more on. I'll show you how I stack my trays to dry them. Just note that you don't wanna stack them up too high because you will definitely find trays that have, the stack has fallen over. I've had that happen so many times, so just make sure you don't stack it very high. So this is how I like to stack my trays for them to dry. This is probably about as tall as you want to go so you don't find a mess later on when you come to put your trays away. Another quick tip here, when you are stacking your trays, I kind of forgot to do it here, but I'm going to do it on my next ones. When you're stacking them to dry, to save a little time when you're ready to put your trays up, you always want your tray without holes on top of the tray with holes. That way, when it's time to put your trays away, you can quickly do that and go stack them up. So another little quick tip there for you. So as you can see here, I have a lot of trays to go. I'm not gonna wash all these trays on this video in like a fast motion because in between, while my trays are soaking or sanitizing or whatever you want to call it for the 5 minutes after I sprayed them, I'm going to go do other stuff. So this is going to probably be a pretty long task or chore that I need to do, but I am going to be able to do other things while they are soaking in the bleach solution. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're interested in checking out our Microgreen tray washing station. It's gonna make your life so much easier in your microgreens business because that is a task that does take quite a long time. As you can see here, this looks a little bit different. Look at all those trays I've already sanitized. So I went to edit my video and I must not have hit record when I thought I was finishing up. So it does look a little bit different. I have gotten a lot done here, not too much to go, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like and share our videos. See you guys later.